In this short tutorial, we will cover how to set up a postcard with mailing order using our powerful online order system. To place an order using this product, you will need artwork or design layout in a PDF file. You can have separate PDFs for the front and the back, or have them combined into one file. Begin by clicking on All Products at the top. We offer two types of postcards with mailing products. One is a low-volume, fully mergeable digital version, cheaper on pieces under 2,500. Or you can select a high-volume version where we run on a traditional, slightly more cost-effective offset press for mailing jobs above 2,500 pieces. For this tutorial, we will select the high-volume version. Here, you will make your selections based on the parameters needed for your order. Most options listed on the price calculator have either a question mark, eye icon, or a YouTube link describing the product and providing additional information or video tutorial. You can download a template here. Please note the Setup tab for specific parameters. The price calculator by default is set for a 4x6 16-point gloss cover rigid paper option. Printing is in full color on both sides, as well as UV coating on front side only. Postage defaults to first-class pre-sort card rate. If you select a different size, your postage rate will have more options. Begin by entering a quantity closest to your mailing list quantity. This high-volume postcard with mailing option is printed on a cost-effective offset press and only runs in preset print increments. If you want to order exact quantities, go to our low-volume postcard with mailing option. Turnaround time defaults to 3 to 4 business days. The mailing quantity is equal to your mailing list total. Postage is calculated by list total, not print increment setting. Enter your mailing list quantity here. To order, click on the red Order Now button. Enter a descriptive name for the mailing in the Job Name field. We only accept PDF files for your design layout. You can drag and drop your PDF letter into this box or click within the box to choose your PDF from your computer. Click Continue to proceed to Artwork Layout Preview. If you followed our template guidelines, your artwork should line up perfectly in this preview. You can micro-adjust using the tools above. You must confirm the backside below as well to move forward to mailing list upload. To upload your mailing list, click on this blue Select File button. Our mailing list module is now easier than ever to use. Our system automatically recognizes most fields and will mark required address fields with a green check mark. You will also need to assign the recipient's name as first, last, full name, or company name. If you move on without a required address field, you will get this message in pink. Just assign the problem field and click on Save and Continue. Review the summary of your order selections and make any necessary changes. Check the box to agree with the terms and conditions at the bottom and click Save and Add to Cart if everything looks good. The next page is the confirmed summary of your order. Click Continue if everything looks good or click Edit to make changes. For the shipping method, choose Drop my mail at post office and recycle leftovers if you do not want the overage shipped to you. If you want the overage shipped to you, make a note in the special instructions. We will send you a pay link email when ready to ship. Enter your payment details and place order. Make sure to whitelist orders at itidirectmail.net to receive all of our emails. Please visit our YouTube page for more informational tutorials.